Today's video is going to be very simple. Behind me, I got the ML430. It should be pretty well the same on most ML series SUVs. So, I'm going to show you how to check your transmission fluid level. Now, it's pretty simple to do, but you're going to need one thing. You got to order a dipstick. Now, the dipstick is $40, $50, or you can get online and find them for $12 to $15. I bought a $15 one. You can get them with numbers, that's universal, or you can get them with the temperature. I got mine with the temperature thing on it. So I'm going to start this, let it warm up for, 15 minutes or so. Might drive it down the road for about the 15 minutes, get the transmission good and warmed up. Or you can check it cold. But I like doing mine warm. So let's go ahead and warm this up. For an SUV with 230,000 miles, she's pretty smooth. I need to finish doing a full tune-up on it. I only did 8 plugs so far. I got 8 more to go and 8 plug wires. You can see I about got this side fully done, but I still like 2 plug wires because I got the old spark plug boots still on it, so I can tell which spark plugs I have and have it changed. Now the coil packs kept going out on this, and somebody put copper plugs in it, and the tips was melted away, and it was causing the coil packs to go out. Because I put a new one on it, and it went out about a week later. Then I finally checked the plug. I was like, "Yep, plug did it." But this video ain't about that. This video is how to check your transmission fluid. Now once everything's warmed up, you need this cap off. And there's a little red locking tab that's inside that. You need to pull that up. Mine's missing, so yeah, but yours will have that tab. Once you get that off, you need to buy your tool. Oh, here's my tool laying in the dirt. That's good fact. It was in the seat, but you can tell right here, mine's got the temperature 25 to 80. You want it rather close to 80 or right on 80. A little under it be fine too. Not touching, you need to worry. I'll show you how to check that. You take it and you put it down in here, and it just goes down here till it stops. Once it stops, it's bottomed out, you need to pull it up. Okay, it stops, up we come. Okay, now we need to wipe it off and check it again, but it looks pretty close to being full. It might need a little bit more. So I wiped it off. I'm going to check it again. And you want to cycle through the gears at least for 2 seconds. I'll show you what that looks like before I forget, because I didn't do it, because I almost forget myself sometimes. That's how it goes. So we're going to put it in reverse. Give it 2 seconds. Put in neutral. Give it 2 seconds. Put it in drive. Give it 2 seconds. Put it back in park and check it again. And that will circulate all the fluid through the valve system and stuff. So it gives you a better accurate reading. But I always like to check it idle and then check it here and see how much of a difference it made. Same way as before, just put this down the inside, Pull it back up when it bottoms out. Almost. I say it's about a half a quart low. So let me add a half a quart. Sure, my transmission was feeling funny. As the reason I bought this and just guessed at it, a half quart, I didn't want to overfill it till that tool came in. So now that tool came in, we can add it. So I ain't using my funnel, just all skill. I missed. Oh, there we go. This is the transmission fluid I use. It's full synthetic, it's motor vehicle. A lot of people I know run these in the ML series, And when I do a full transmission change in the future, you know, fluid change and filter, this will be what I put back in it with some shoulder guard, because I added a little bit extra material for these foreign cars. You know, extra additives, I might say. So, and let it set. Let's check it again. We're full, right on the full mark. But yeah, I could tell the transmission, it wasn't just feeling as stout as it normally was, so it was a quart low. So, being a quart low, now it's full, it should act a whole lot better. Also, you can smell this. If it smells burnt, I would change your fluid as soon as possible. If it's milky, you're getting coolant or something into it, moisture somehow. But this smells good. It ain't burnt or anything, so that's good. It wouldn't need a check, you know, fluid change right away. But I lost my cap. Once you put this back on, you will put your locking tab back in, but I ain't got one. Oh. I need to add some coolant, maybe. I don't know. It looks good. It's you can still see it when you smack it, so it's getting nice. So let's close this hood. Boom. I'm very happy with it. I picked this up very cheap. I did some work to it, and I've been daily driving it for a while now. It's still got some issues, but we've been fixing it little by little on the channel. I'm getting ready to put new rotaries in it. I got some from Detroit Axle. Hold on, I'll show you. Also, if you didn't notice, since I'm over here, the struts, we replaced struts on this. Now, didn't make a video on it, I don't think, but they are now, because before you had to put vice grips on it. But new rotaries, we got brake pads, and these is for the Sportster. They just stock exhaust. I don't know if I'm going to run stock exhaust on the Trailhunter Sportster or not. Might just get rid of that exhaust, buy me some aftermarket. But yeah, got them stout. I'll close them here in a minute. The cool thing I like about this ML is it's basic. It's not expensive. It's expensive to work on, don't get me, you know, don't let me tell you it's not. It's not as expensive as most Mercedes. Most Mercedes got allied shocks and struts, and think of this as a Jeep, but with Mercedes badging. The ML series, it's pretty good. It don't have 230 miles. It's got 224. I thought it was 230. It's close enough to 230. But yeah, I enjoy it. We got some more work to do. We need to replace CD player, and I've just been driving it. It's a good everyday vehicle. I can't wait to get it nicer because it needs detailed. I ain't detailed it. Fixed the sunroof, and you know, it's just little things. Ooh. You know, it's a fun driver. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. If you didn't know, I do got an eBay store. You can check it out in the description below too. We got a P.O. box. You can check that out. Send me stuff if you want to. You know, I review stuff. But again, thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.